Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Savvy. Today I bring you a unique and exciting story that's not just a mystery but also packed with life lessons. Are you ready to improve your English listening skill and learn something new? Let's begin. Arjun, a 16-year-old boy, was spending his summer vacation at his grandparents' house in a small, peaceful town. One day, while exploring the attic, he found an old dusty box behind some books. The box was locked, and on the top there was a strange engraving: "Unlock only if you ready to face the truth." Curiosity gripped Arjun. What truth? What could be inside the box? He decided to ask his grandfather about it. His grandfather smiled mysteriously and said, "The box will reveal itself when you are ready. But first you need to find the key." Arjun was confused but excited. He began looking for the key around the house. His search led him to discover old letters, photographs, and some unexpected secrets about his family. Arjun's first clue came from an old photograph of his grandfather with a small note on the back. Passion lead to the key. He realized that the note was not just about the key, it was a life lesson. It reminded him of how impatient he had been lately with his studies and friends. The second clue was hidden in an ancient book in the library. Inside, there was a quote underlined in red: "Honesty is the best policy." As Arjun reflected, he remembered a recent incident where he was not truthful to his parents. The clues were not just about finding the key, they were helping him grow a person. Finally, after days of searching and learning, Arjun found the key inside an old music box. He rushed to the attic, his heart pounding with excitement. He unlocked the mysterious box and found a diary. It was his grandfather's diary, filled with story of his struggle, failure, and triumphs. One story was about how his grandfather faced rejection repeatedly but never gave up. Another story explained the secret of happiness, gratitude, and kindness. Arjun, "Grandpa, why did you make me go through all this to find the diary?" Grandfather, "Because, my dear, the journey to find the diary was more important than the diary itself. You have learned patience, honesty, and courage. All the things you need to unlock life's mysteries." Arjun's life changed that day. He started applying these lessons and saw a positive shift in his relationship, studies, and mindset. And what about you? Have you ever experienced a moment that taught you an important lesson? Let me know in the comment below. If you enjoy this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such engaging content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching.